to Jack 5. I should have lowered the volume from the other side. Hang on. I have so many volume knobs. Now it's mute. Now it's completely gone. This is terrible. I mean, what am I going to do without at least a little bit of music? Let me play with these knobs. This is a great thing. I can hear everything now. This is terrible. Okay, but whatever. Welcome back to an exciting stream of the Jack 4 game stream. Last time on Monday, I need to remember my schedule, because I scheduled myself for Tuesday, or to have Monday off, and then I streamed on Monday and took Tuesday off. It's a mess. But whatever. What I did was I made this little bubble gun. And since last time, I've made some minor improvements, some visual things, like now there's 2 bubbles that can pop out at once. It's very subtle, but it just makes it so the bubbles don't like awkwardly disappear when you shoot again. And also, you might not be able to hear it, but there's now footsteps. If you've been watching and keeping track at home of literally all the streams, hang on, let's lower the volume of the really great music and have the footsteps from the game come in. As soon as I kill all these guys. Isn't that epic? You can hear her running at Olympic sprinter speeds. Like, for some reason it didn't really register to me that she was running extremely fast until now. But whatever. Like, without the sounds, it just didn't register. But it does make it good. But yeah, this drove me insane. So, I took like 2 hours. Honestly, probably closer to like an hour. Hang on, I'm gonna raise the music back up again. Especially on my end, so that way I can hear it too. Okay, but this drove me nuts. So I had tried to make this work, and I did it over and over again. Now I'm just fiddling with these volume knobs. I think it's because this music is really good, and I don't want to take away from me complaining about Godot some more. Okay, you see this little warning? This animation belongs to an imported scene, so changes to imported tracks will not be saved. To enable the ability to add custom tracks, navigate to the scenes. Custom imported animation, storage, files, animation, keep custom tracks. Now that's a damn fine coincidence, because if we go to our new player folder, look at all these animations that are saved in separate files. Let's go to the GLB. Oh, what is this? What is this? Let's check the animations here. Oh, they're stored as files, and what is this? Keep custom tracks is checked. Oh, and this warning is still here. It's still here, isn't it? That's because I actually read the code, and it shows this warning if any of the animation tracks are imported, which they are because most of them are still imported. And I tried to change it, didn't work. I don't know what I did wrong. And I tried to like manually set these little tracks here to be imported. And also, by the way, they're saved now. That didn't work. And so my changes that I was trying to like debug it weren't working, because I was like literally editing the source code to figure this stuff out. Like, here is where it sets that warning. Literally just goes through the tracks. If a track is imported, show the warning. Even though that's not how it works. And then once I recompiled, and once I tried saving again, doing the exact same things I was doing before, which was, save it as it says in separate files, re-import, add my track, then it just worked. And then, you know what I did? I undid the changes that I had made to the Godot and did it again, and now it still works. I don't know what's happened. I don't know I don't know what I did differently. I think maybe Maybe what happened is I created the track and then saved the animation and then opened it again, added these values, and then saved it. Because, like, I don't know. I'll have to figure that out in my free time and, like, file a bug or something. But basically, it took me like 3 weeks to add footsteps when you walk, and I don't know why it works now when it didn't before. So, giving me some good motivation to make my own engine, which, admittedly, I'm fully aware that I might not be able to do, which is why there's going to be a deadline on that project. Like 3 months. If I don't have a functional engine, I'll just go to Godot 4 and suffer through it. Also, I need to figure out why this is happening still. But whatever. That's enough of me complaining about code. Now we need to get into fun stuff. I want to make the animation first. And this first. And this first. I actually don't even know if I want... I've been thinking about it. I don't know what having finite ammo actually adds to this game. Like this does like a third the damage of a punch and half the damage of your spin kick. It's mainly like a mobility tool, and I don't know if it like that's pretty fun. Okay. So I guess first thing, before we do that, I'm going to actually even ask, should ammo ever be finite? That's a good question. But until then, we have more pressing matters, like making a cool little animation. See, I'm gonna see how the stream is doing. I've even been remembering to tweet, which is why I always have Twitter open, which is probably not good because most of my Twitter is porn. So that makes it a bit awkward if I have to Alt-Tab and forgot to close out of it. Okay, but enough of my horrible secrets. What I need to do is I need to make 2 animations. One is going to be a little charging up thing that's going to last, I think, 4 seconds at most. And then there's going to be a firing animation. Oh wait, no. 3. Let's break out paint for this. Because you can be charged, or charging, and you can go to max charge, and that loops in itself over and over. And then you can go to fire. And you can go there from both of these, and then it just goes back to nothing, I guess. And the animation, it'll be, I think this one can just be 30 FPS. And it'll be 4 seconds. Now I just need to use my whole brain and figure out where the frame rate is specified. All right. Let's say that... So these are going to be out to like... I think there's good. Oh. I wish... Oh, okay, there is a way. I forgot I could do this. But yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a real simple... It's just going to be linear. This album is so good. I should get the rest of their music. I just need to listen to like more, just like good music. There we go. So yeah, it's going to be a pretty incredible animation, I think. Let's do like very subtle tremors, like. Oh man, this is gonna suck. Wait, I know. I wonder if I can... Let's see if I can add points directly. Blender, add points in graph. Control right mouse button. That doesn't seem to be working. Key. Insert keyframes. Only selected channel. Okay. Let's see what this looks like. Nothing to write home about. Let's just make it go like wild and nuts. think I'm gonna do something like, I wonder if I can do, I was trying to scale with the, whatever that is, but that's okay. I'll just like make it less dramatic and then like it gradually builds up to more and more extremes. And also, that was overrated. Alright. Go to Z location. Let's just, I'm a hack. And then let's do like S, Y. No, just put these random things like, ooh. A little too, oh. I think that one's probably the issue, actually. I found the problem. Alright, that seems pretty good. What am I looking for? W and X. Oh, there we go. Huh? SX0. Okay, Blender, you want to be like that? How does this, huh? I had proportional editing, and for some reason that was the issue. I think. So I need to instantly go up, like... So this one then needs to instantly go back up to here. I think. Or maybe I can do... Maybe I can just keep going down with it. So it would just keep rotating like this for the whole thing. And then, I guess it'll stay like that. I was also wanting it to rotate gradually faster, but I don't think I'm going to be able to figure that out. To -1, to -3. I don't think I actually know how to make a thing rotate. Also, why are these visible? Because what I need is, let's see, Blender spin. Okay, I can just do that. Let's make it, huh? 360 times 12. Oh, 4,320. Okay. Well, that does nothing. So how does it, okay. What am I, an idiot? How is this, it's recorded. So it's like, why, what? I actually like how that's going faster and faster like that. I know, what if... Can I even figure out which line this is? Wait, was I animating the wrong thing the whole time? What am I looking at? I'm just not smart enough for this. Let's see if that does what I want. Yeah, that seems pretty good. And then it's going to be linear, and it's going to be like really fast in the firing animation. Okay, that's good enough. I should have, okay. New, max charge. So if you've been holding the trigger for a while, it'll then go to this state. I'm just gonna be, let's just do whole character. And this one will only be like 20 frames. This will spin like 5 times in that amount of time. Yeah, like that. See what this looks like. Okay, that's not bad. I just need to just keep going at this. Oh, that's why it was so big. Because it's in degrees. Okay. I'm just gonna... Yeah. So it's just some cool little rickety thing that's building up immense amounts of power for whatever it's gonna do. Oop. Oop. Alright, let's see what this... Wow, I was dying there. Okay. Alright, that looks pretty good. And then when you fire it, let's go back to our action editor. Eventually, if I can figure this out. Fire. So be, yeah, I think 6 frames. Yeah, I'm not going to do anything fancy with it. I've done plenty. Okay. So now all I need is, let's go to Wonderful Wave Shot. Play. Charging. I should not. I was too quick on the draw with that. I need to get that back. Alright, and if this is right, we should see the gun start to... oh, okay, it's just really slow. And also, I think the shaking isn't very obvious. But I know why that is. It's because animations are by default imported at 30 or 15 FPS. Yeah, we need 30. Because otherwise I think that shaking is just completely lost in the noise. Maybe it's just too subtle? I don't see it at all. Oh wait, there it is. Okay, I think it's I think the animation isn't looping. Max charge. Oh wait. So I think this is going to be mostly sold by the audio. What is up with that? Is it... It doesn't seem like it's moving. Oh wait, I'm an idiot. I didn't export after renaming it. Okay, and the larger motion is much more obvious, and like the little Okay, so that's just a very subtle movement at this distance. You can see the larger movement of the rotation, but I guess I could just amp it up, or I could let the audio sell it. For some reason, this firing animation isn't playing, I think, during this max charge loop. Maybe I need to DQ, like unqueue it or something. Yeah, clear queue. That's what I'm gonna do. This is, I think, some brilliant visual effects art. What? So it's like... Okay, so the animation just isn't playing. What is that? Animation not found. Fire. Wrong? Is there a space in the name? Did I stutter? Alright, let's see. Fire. Yeah, this is going to be a problem, this stuff. Huh. Okay, I'm gonna guess there's like some sort of... There's either a space in there or some sort of like non-breaking space character, because it's fun. You can sometimes accidentally type like invisible zero width characters But okay, that just gives a little bit of pizzazz and, like, visual indication. Not quite enough, I don't think, so I think the audio is going to have to carry it. This is really good for, like, chasing. Also, I think for all of these footstep sounds, I'm going to have to mix in, like, a predefined tap at the very start of it, because otherwise it's a bit too mushy. Because she's really, like, stomping down, so it doesn't match her, like, movement. But that's for tomorrow. I also need to remove that global script that's putting all those down. Yeah. Alright, so if I'm doing some sort of, like, progressive metal here with this music, I could do Polyphia's Renaissance. Let's make sure the music's... Okay, that's about good. Oh wait, no, it's gonna get way louder. Yeah, that's gonna have to be... Okay, that seems about good. Alright, next up. After the animation, I need weapon switching. Okay, so this will be managed by the gun. That seems like a decision I could make. Alright. Var weapons pistol Alright, let's do, if not ID in guns. And it'll be something like var enabled weapon. How do I do this? Is it just a colon? If enabled web ID set current weapon I guess I gotta do this. Dot free. So basically if you pick up the weapon again, it's not gonna do any of this other stuff. It's just gonna, I guess it doesn't have to do any of this. So yeah, that's not needed at all. And let's just add web 1, web 2. Key 1, key 2. I should place it, I should push 2 instead of 1. And then it'll be the up arrow. Yeah, the pistol seems like an up arrow thing. Or up D-pad. And then the bubble shot seems like a down arrow kind of thing. Rep 1, swap, rep, pistol. And this is gonna have the logic for that. To wave shot. So function web swap to ID string if in and also if not, and if it's not enabled, it just ignores this, and then set current weapon ID set state dot free. This does have the problem that you can swap, if you swap weapons while you well, I can just do what should I do? Basically, I want to just not hide the weapon. If... Oh, I think I can do this. So yeah, if not visible, this does mean that I can just... Oh, I think... Okay, so I think I know how, I was having some weird things where I could aim when I wasn't supposed to, and I know what it is now. So, yep, exactly what I was thinking. If the gun is hidden, and then I press the aim button, it, like, overrides a bunch of the logic that's in place to make sure that I can't do things like aim while climbing. So that's something that I actually have to change. Also, hang on. So it looks like I can swap between them. Did I have ammo? Let's just close that. Alright, this is for the, that engine I was talking about. Let me put it here. I have two different incomplete, actually I have numerous incomplete engines, so, you know, a very good track record on actually finishing those. Yes, save that. I forgot that the entire point of that was to, Okay, app data Godot, user data, Jack 4. Okay, let's see if I can swap and let's see if the inventory and stuff works. It's really bothering me how it doesn't it resets to this animation for some reason and not this one, which is the one that I want it to be at. Do I need to add like a reset? I'm just gonna see how that looks. I don't think it's gonna work how I want it to. Yeah, it's... Okay, that's... Okay. Well, one, I'm pretty sure when I... Alright, what if I just did that? I'm pretty sure that would fix it. Yes. Okay. And the son of a bitch. Blender, I know what you're trying to do, Blender. I know... Okay. Animation. There we go. Slowly but surely, we'll figure this out. This animation does not need to be here anymore. Let's see if the gun is in the proper place. Also, I should maybe make it so that it doesn't create a new instance of the packed scene when you're pressing the directional button for the gun you already have out. Also, the gun was hidden really quickly. That was weird. I need to... Something that I want to add soon is the ability to, hang on, I should actually have my chat window visible. Is the ability to shoot while in combat. Or, like, to integrate it more readily. Oh, and here's the thing I was talking about. Oh, I guess it's not. Yeah, I'm gonna add to the list of bugs, wherever bugs are put. Fixed triplanar shader. I guess that's good enough. Aiming slash. So yeah, I'll have to figure out how that's gonna work. I guess it could just be, so enable if current weapon and state equals state dot hidden or state dot no weapon. Otherwise, it should default to, yeah. So I can press the directional buttons to switch to these weapons. And then when they go invisible, which will take a good few, 25 years, it should now, oh wait, no, right. It's gonna have to figure out, I have to keep track of some sort of state while it's invisible. Like, I think those are independent variables, whether the gun is invisible and how the gun's locking should behave. I'll just remove this then. But I don't care that much. Also, I keep doing this just because I'm really proud of this animation blending and like aim system. It's not quite right. Like, you can see that there's some jittering with the laser pointer because some things have to be in the physics frames and some things have to be in the idle frames. But still really cool. It's a lot smoother than for example, Cruelty Squad had a laser pointer as well, and they came up with the exact same issue with like really significant jittering on the gun with the laser pointer. And I had the same issue with another game I was working on, so I'm glad I was able to at least mitigate most of it. Okay, what is this? Not a packed scene, but a pistol. Oh. And I'm gonna use these functions because I might have some more complex logic if I have to do multiple states. I still don't have the faintest clue why those had to be called deferred. I'm sure I had a good explanation for it when I did it. I don't care that much about that and the finite ammo. Well, I wonder. I did make the dry fire animation, but let's just feel out how it would play. Maybe I just have to play for a little while with infinite ammo. It would simplify some things, but then I don't have as much, Okay, the problem with making the ammo finite is that for the bubble shot especially, it's a valuable, oh wait, I'll keep that invisible for now. So I think it still decrements the counter. Oh, right, it's controlled by code, whether it's visible, but whatever. Basically, this gun especially is like an important movement mechanic now, because it significantly changes and like expands what you can do with it. And on the one hand, I think it would be interesting if the player was challenged to do it with like a finite number of resources, like there's like ammo places that like infinitely respawn ammunition up to some maximum. But if it's used as a combat thing, it would need at least like 20 rounds. Probably more like 50 for like any sort of medium-sized combat at any time, or else you'd be like racing back and forth from your ammo spot all the time. But if you had 20 or more rounds, it's not really useful in like platforming. Like, how do you get out of here in 20 rounds, you know, or 20 double jumps? That's not, like, the scales just don't line up well. The other game I'm working on is a gun-based platformer where the ammo is like a major thing. But in that, it's because there's basically no combat. Like, if there was combat, I have to significantly alter how the guns behave. So I'm leaning towards at least making this have infinite ammo. Maybe... I think that could work. And then maybe I can have finite, like, you have to touch the ground at some point to reload it. Like, it has an infinite pool, but only, like, I don't like that either. Because it's not, like, super powerful. Like, you can't fly with it. At least not now. It's more like a glide. If you like, jump from a really high place. So it doesn't benefit in gameplay to even have, like, a finite amount of it. But I think it's fine to have finite amount of this pistol because it is a pretty powerful, like, combat tool. Oh, hey, Paxton. Yeah, it's coming along. I have these two different weapons. And yeah, I'm sort of, like, debating with myself as to whether I want either of them to have infinite ammo. Because I think I'm leaning towards... This one is... Because it's like a platforming thing, because it gives you basically a double jump, I'm probably going to make it have infinite ammo. Because I think it wouldn't really be fun to, like, not have it. And then the pistol that I have, it's a bit too powerful to have infinite ammo for, so I'm probably just going to have it finite. And that would be convenient for me, because that's the least amount of work. Yeah, what else do I need to do today? So I think that's going to be basically... 4 bubble shot. Because it's also balanced out with that. Let's see. And I'm... Okay. So that's been settled. Pistol is finite. Wave shot will have... Infinite. Oh, false. And then, let's see. Show ammo. UI weapon slash ammo label. Current weapon dot. So yeah, let's see how this looks. Not great. So it should, yep. Huh. It should set the current weapon. Oh, wait. Huh? Okay, I guess I just have to do it here. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. So now that works. And I'm also going to make it, I want it to be aligned differently. I think that gives enough space. Because I don't want this to move. Actually. Let's make it right align. No. Then this will parent to the top right. This parents to the center right. Okay. All right. And now I'm gonna replace the pistol and wave shot with like nice little pictures. Let's see. Jams, Jack 4, concept art. I have that. And I have the wave shot. And I'll have to suffer through wave or Inkscape, I think, to make some nice looking pistols. This is a terrible program. This is I hate this program so much. Like, what is this? Like, what? I set the units to pixel. Did I set something wrong? Maybe I'll do 512 by 256. PC. Let's try the gun. That didn't work. Say I'm saving to, I guess UI, I'll save it to prompts, why not? Let's try importing again. Okay. Inkscape. Import tool not working. Image. Import image not working. File. Import. There. Default import resolution, maybe? Maybe embed it? Okay. And... oof, okay. And I appreciate, well, there's a lot to appreciate here. Okay, I have to draw. Good Christ. In order to see anything, I have to draw a rectangle. At least crush is on. Let's turn that up. How do I hide this thing? Hmm. Why does this move? Unclick. Hmm. I'm trying to figure out how to force these two to be continuous, these lines. So I think I misunderstood how to do that. Okay, well it seems like I googled the wrong word because it's not coming up. Oh well. Whatever. This looks not bad. And I'll eventually even figure out where the, I don't care. Let's say... I don't think this is gonna look very good. But let's see what it looks like in game. I'm gonna make it so that I can just set the weapon, so it'll be like export dictionary for Alright. So if you're here, I just do that. I don't even know if I need this. Oh, okay, I do. And it might just crash when I set it to the other thing. Not brilliant, but it's okay. Save a copy. Oh, Jesus Christ. I'm trying to use my whole brain to figure out what I'm looking for in my UI. Okay. Because it'll take 10 years. Oh my god. It's not opening. Jesus Christ. Okay. So that doesn't want to open things. Alright, let's see if I can just open with Inkscape. Okay, finally. We have the weapon. We have this bad boy. I don't know what that was, but okay. We've deleted that. Now all I need to do is import this. Gently scale it down. And this one's going to be a bit easier to manage because I don't have to worry so much about things not lining up. How exactly should I go about this? Because I want this to be... I want there to be the line here, I think. I think it'll be easiest if I just go around like this. actually. Okay, this one's coming along much better. Yeah. Yeah, you know what? I'm not gonna fight it. That's gonna be good enough. And let's see if I can negotiate not having to edit multiple of these at once. Okay, let's see what this looks like. This should be just fine, I think. Nice. Okay, and I'm gonna add little arrows for the, Yeah. And I think that's a perfectly acceptable, like, visual style. Like, it's, you know, because, like, a black, you know, thin black outline with just this transparent white, it's nothing to write home about. Like, I don't think people are going to be like these beautiful, gorgeous weapon UI things, but they're going to be like, okay, it's a little gun. It's a little gun in the corner telling me what I'm using. Maybe the ammo counter should be on the other side. Yeah, I think so. Honestly, it'd probably make more sense, like, well... I don't think either one looks great, either side. But I think to the right looked better. And I need my little arrows. Let's see if I can negotiate this. Why is that a... I hate this UI so much. I hate this so much. This is one of the most infuriating UIs I've ever had to work with. And it seems like it should be fine, but it's like... Jesus Christ. And it crashed. I was having more fun when I was editing SVG files with a text editor. But okay, all I need... Oh, God. Is one triangle. Are these... Huh? So I set the unit to pixels. I set the unit to pixels. These are not in pixels. Grids, guides. Clear up, clean up. Okay, let's see if I can figure out. This is the hardest thing I've ever done in my life. I want to go back to making Vulcan stuff. Alright, it's nice of this to dox me as well. Wait, what is this? Let's see. For now, I'm just gonna have these two, because it's gonna be, these are gonna be set, I guess, per whenever the player is tracking a current weapon. So it'll be like UI slash and slash or up gun dot Okay. And so when I come in, it should just have those two arrows when I do the up and down. And then maybe I should have, oh wait, well I'll definitely need to push them down further. And I'll also want to replace the UI in the replace the arrows in the wardrobe UI with something similar to these ones, because they look pretty good, actually. Or at least perfectly fine. And I'm going to turn this down, because this is really irritating. Okay, that's about right. I may want to have the, maybe some sort of recharging mechanism for it, because it is, well, it has a pretty slow rate of fire anyway. Like, this is about as fast as you can shoot it. Because it's spammy, and but it's not also... yeah. I'm fine with infinite ammo for that. I shouldn't overthink it too much. And I kind of like the UI. The prompts look pretty sleek. Now for the... let's get rid of these. I should have no weapon UI, should have no ability to like select weapons or anything like that. Alright. Let's try just the pistol. Also, with my microphone so loud, I can hear, like, setting my controller on the desk. It's not very appealing. Alright, and the little UI is invisible, so it's only the up arrow. And this shouldn't happen, but it might. Where the player only has the bubble shot. Also, I need to not have the music going nuts and crazy anymore now that I'm not angry at that. Okay. It's a bit better. Then I'm also, like, not able to hear any of the... Okay, let's see. Alright. And the down arrows there, there's no ability to select the other pistol. And it's 7:32, which is my 7:30 deadline. I am proud to say that I have exceeded my expectations, even though I did exactly what was on the to-do list, because I did not expect to actually, like, negotiate Inkscape well enough to make any sort of arrows. And someday I'll even make left and right arrows. Thrilling. But okay. So I'll be streaming tomorrow as well, starting at 5:30 PDT. And I'll be doing the textures, sound, and level designs based around this weapon. And then, Friday through Sunday, I'll be doing some more story stuff through the main quest line. So that should be plenty of stuff. I won't go through it, because it'll be a route from the starting area to the plateau that we're on, the quarry village, which is where we're inside the quarry right now, and then Crab Hill, which is further beyond. Alright, I'm pretty excited for this. I'm looking forward to this. And I hope to see you then.